Mochi, hold on! I'm coming! It's such a nice day today.
Lunch is almost ready, everyone!
Just one more level, Mochi. Sorry, buddy, I'm playing now.
A big storm is coming tonight.
Wow, those clouds look dark.
Come eat lunch with us, Max.
Mochi wants chicken, not veggies. Here you go, little secret. Race you to my room, Mochi! Almost at the final boss! Whoa, that thunder was loud! It's okay, just a game. Mochi, don't be scared, it's fine. Mochi, wait, come back here! No, the window's open! Mochi ran into the storm! Mochi! Mochi, where are you? Sophia, Mochi's outside in the storm! Sophia!
Grab your raincoat, we're going now. Stay together and be careful, okay?
Mochi! Mochi, can you hear us? Mochi, please come out now! She's not under the porch either. I'm worried about Mochi right now. Not behind the bushes either. Look! Wet paw prints on the ground! This trail goes toward the street. Keep following the trail, Max. Sophia, I hear her. Listen. That's a drain. Water goes there. Mochi's stuck, and the water's rising! Huh?
Friends, tap like and subscribe with us.
My arm's too short. I can't reach. Hold on, Mochi! Please hold on. The water's getting higher and higher. Think, Max, think. Somebody, please, we need help. Look, a light light just turned on.
I heard you calling. Are you okay? Hang on, kids, I'm coming quick! Don't worry, we'll get her out safe. This is a rescue. Stay calm, okay? Come here, sweet girl. Nice and slow.
Please, Mochi, come to us now.
She's safe now, kids.
Mochi, you're safe. I'm so happy. We're so grateful, Mr. Rivera. Thank you. Let's get Mochi home quickly, Sophia.
Oh, thank goodness you're all safe.
Come here, our brave little family.
This towel will keep you warm, Mochi.
I'm sorry. I left the window open. I promise to always check it now.
That was very careful and honest, Max.
Teamwork brought our Mochi safely home.
Do you have a pet? Tell us below. I love you, Mochi, always and forever. Good night, Mochi, my best little friend.